So this is the complete before I declutter anything. So as you can see, I have an ungodly amount of nail polish, and I have a lot of colors that are the same, and I feel like nail polish is one of those things that I just buy so many of. And I'm definitely a nail polish freak, so I definitely use a lot of them, but I'll never go through all this nail polish in my entire life. So I'm gonna go through and declutter the ones I don't want and hopefully kind of like make this a little bit more reasonable. Okay, so these are all the nail polishes that I am decluttering. I think I counted like 40 something bottles of nail polish. I feel like I could have gotten rid of more, but I definitely didn't want to like overdo it. Oop, and I found one more I wanted to get rid of. So, you know, 40 some odd nail polishes. A lot of these are mostly ones that I think can just be used again, so I'm definitely going to give those to some of my friends and family. There's probably like one or two of these that actually just need to be thrown away, but for the most part, I think I was able to get rid of a good amount. I cleared an entire shelf, and I kind of have maybe like a shelf and a half left over with like all the spacing and stuff, so overall I still think I have way too many nail polishes, but at least now I can kind of make an effort to like use different ones. I've actually always wanted to do like this crazy like one nail polish for 1 year kind of challenge, or like just use that entire bottle of nail polish until it's completely gone. I feel like I kind of want to do something like that, but I don't know if I could stick to it because I do like to change my nail polish a lot. But I have been wearing the same color for like, I don't know, 3 months pretty much basically. So I feel like maybe I could do it. But that is it for this nail polish declutter video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.